One day, the king of the jungle, the lion, gathered all the animals in a large open field. He announced in a powerful voice, "From today onward, no human shall enter the jungle. If anyone sees a human, inform me immediately." All the animals agreed and returned to their homes. A few days later, a poor woodcutter entered the jungle. A fox saw him and quickly ran to the lion. She said, "Your Majesty, a man is cutting wood in your jungle. He's breaking your rule." The lion roared in anger and went straight to the man. He asked in a loud voice, "Don't you know that humans are not allowed in the jungle?" The man, trembling with fear, replied, "O mighty king, I am a poor man. I have nothing to give my children. I just came to collect some wood so I can make toys for them." The lion's heart softened. He said, "If your intention is pure, I'll allow you, but promise me you won't harm the jungle." The man thanked the lion and left peacefully. A wolf had been watching all this. He didn't like the lion's kindness. He went and told other wolves, "The lion has become weak. He's showing mercy to humans. This is our chance. Let's get rid of him and rule the jungle ourselves." The wolves joined together and attacked the lion at night. The lion was badly wounded, but survived. Soon after, a white dog saw the injured lion. He went to his friend, the black dog, and said, "This is our chance. Let's kill the lion and take over the jungle." But the fox overheard their plan. She ran to the tiger and told him everything. The tiger said, "The lion is our king. We must help him." When the two dogs came to attack the wounded lion, the lion fought bravely and defeated both of them. The tiger rushed to the lion's side. The lion asked, "Tiger, why are you here?" The tiger said, "Your Majesty, I came to help you." The lion smiled and said, "Tiger, remember, a lion never needs help. These small dogs can never harm me." All the animals cheered. Their king was still strong and brave. Peace returned to the jungle once again. Moral: a true king is both kind and courageous. Kindness is not weakness. It is the greatest strength.